it's me, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, bringing you guys another curly girl hair review by none other than the Sensaitonnel company. This is actually part of their Curls Kinks company. Basically, it's their natural styling section that they have with their company, and I actually adore these units. Believe it or not, I have actually reviewed this unit on my previous channel that I used to have, and so it's a brand new channel. It's another year, so why not just say F it, redo it, and bring you guys some good curly girl goodness. And on top of that, you also get a special treat because I'm going to show you how to customize this unit while it's on my head right now to where it actually frames the face. So starting off, this unit, I don't know where my stock card is right now, but I do know who I got on. This is Game Changer that I have on. She has real pretty curls. I have mine in a 1B. She's very natural looking. This one, I believe, is part of their 4A, 4B, C, you know, one of those girls patterns. Hold on. There we go. My comb was getting into me. Okay, but yes, let me give you guys a couple of details about this unit before we get into the styling of it. It does come with its own natural baby hair. I did not lay mine down because I wasn't gonna wear mine, but I did want to show you guys how to wear this unit. You do get natural baby hairs. You get 2 combs in the front up here. It's already pre-plucked. You really don't have to do anything to it. This actually goes into the middle, but I actually like it better when it's on the side. It gives you a little bit more natural effect to it. There is a comb in the back also, along with the adjustable straps. This wig is big head friendly, but it's actually really big head friendly, of course. And so what I did was do the crossover method with my straps. So those are the general facts about this unit. So let me go on and say this right now. I already love this unit. I love curly hair and I love big curly hair. But what I don't like is sometimes when you get it, you do have to go that extra mile of creating a look for yourself. So that's what we're about to do right now. So I have my handy dandy scissors right now. And so what you do when you're working with curly hair, you don't just chop into it. You do have to kind of see the vision that you're going for. So I know for a fact that I want a couple, you know, a little shorter of a bang area. So what you do is literally, I trim up, even though you're supposed to trim down, but I trim up because I feel like it's going to give me a better look than, you know, than what I got going on. So that right there is something that I like. So what you do is, now I'm going to go down and we're going to get those little pieces that connect to that bang area. So that way when it sets on it'll literally set on the eyebrow and bam. There you go. You got some goody goodness. So on this side, we're going to do the exact same thing. So this little piece right here, we're just going to go on and take that away. There we go. And then we're probably going to zhuzh this out just a skosh, and we're going to go at an angle. I will do an actual, you know, full-fledged cutting video of how I cut. I cut differently than most. I am an esthetician. I am not a beautician, so there is a difference. But I do know how to cut hair. Well, I know how to cut hair the way I was taught. Let me rephrase that. Because all of us are taught different and all of us like different things. So that's literally what I like. This is what I see. This is my vision for this unit. And I absolutely adore it. Hell, y'all might be seeing this again while I'm at work since I done cut it now. But I like it. I think she's really cute, very darling. And oh no, she's giving me a vibe, if you will. But yes, I definitely love this unit. I love the fact that I did trim mine up. So just know I did customize it. You guys saw it for yourself. I did customize this unit. So if you see this wig in the wig teak at my job at Hey Beauty in Duncanville, Texas, if you want to get this unit customized, definitely talk to Paulette and I would definitely customize this unit for you. excuse me. So if this video was informative and to you guys liking, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the tame one, drops another video. And until we meet again, my tame raiders, bye.